This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Growth Capital Expo, Caesars Palace, Las Vegas 2016. I have with me Peter Culpepper, Provectus Biopharmaceuticals. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is PVCT. Peter, welcome back to SNNLive.
Great to be here, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Let's start out with an overview of the company and then we'll go from there.
So Provectus is right now developing a drug for all solid tumors, so cancer, and also for different dermatology challenges. So we have two investigational candidates, one for oncology and one for dermatology.
So this year, because it's been a while since I've seen you, what's occurred? What's the uptake on what happened in 2015-16?
So we now, with our oncology, we're now in phase 3. So we've gone into phase 3. We're generating the kind of data that's critical for getting our oncology drug PV10 approved. So we're in phase 3. We're also doing a combination study with Merck's Keytruda. So this is very important in immunotherapy. We're also working with Boehringer Ingelheim in liver cancer. So PV10 is good for different solid tumors like liver cancer, melanoma, breast cancer. And we now have a patent with Pfizer that shows the basis of why what we're doing makes a lot of sense to the industry.
So when I think of immunotherapy, it's not as uncommon anymore. So let's talk about that change.
So for years, people were trying to understand how to get drugs to work better. And so the development now has focused on using the body's own immune system as an aid, as a force to help deal with the cancer. The challenge has been how to get the cancer on your side by killing it. And so that's where our drug PV10 comes in. We are able to alert the immune system of the cancer, and immunotherapy is then boosting the ability of the immune system to respond properly. So it's a very exciting time in the industry.
So if you had to give me some forward thinking, a little bit of into 2017, even 18, what do you see that you can tell me?
So the most important thing here is the industry globally, with all the large entities, Merck and Bristol and Pfizer, they're all struggling to use these immunotherapies to treat all the solid tumors. So we're talking about horrific challenges with breast cancer, triple negative, with pancreatic cancer, small cell lung cancer, liver cancer, melanoma, all these challenges. And so what's exciting is now the industry is looking at drugs like PV10 to prime the immune system by killing the cancer, and that's what we'll see coming out data-wise this year into next year.
So how do you feel about what's going on in the company in general?
Shelley, I'm very excited because we're finally to the point now, working with the FDA, working with the potential partners, working with the top oncologists literally in the world, how to use our drug, which is very unique. It's a very unique drug candidate. We're using it in a fashion that the global oncologists have always wanted, killing the cancer locally and priming the immune system in the relationship to that.
Let's get your website out there for our audience, if you would.
ProvectusBio.com. Our new website is ProvectusBio.com, or the old one, the ticker symbol, PVCT.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Peter Culpepper, Provectus Biopharmaceuticals. The publicly traded company stock symbol is PVCT. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Growth Capital Expo at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas 2016. Peter, always a pleasure.
Shelley, likewise. Thank you very much.